In order to add liquidity to the new wBTC XPRT pool, you first need to make sure you have some wBTC in your wallet. Head over to app.osmosis.zone and connect to your wallet. Adjust the assets in the swap interface and select which asset you want to swap for wBTC. Once selected, enter the amount of your chosen asset you wish to swap into wBTC and hit the swap button to make the trade. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to complete. That's all there is to it. You've successfully acquired wBTC on Osmosis and is now available in your wallet. Now head over to the Dexter app by going to app.dexter.zone and connect your wallet. Before being able to add liquidity to the pool, you first need to bridge your newly acquired wBTC from the Osmosis chain to Persistence. Therefore, head over to the Assets page, find wBTC and click on the Deposit button. Select how much wBTC you wish to transfer and click on the Deposit button to continue. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to succeed. Once done, your wBTC is now on the Persistence chain and you can continue to add liquidity in the pool on Dexter. Head over to the Pools tab and search for the wBTC XPRT pool. If you scroll down to the left, you'll find the current pool APR. Keep in mind that incentives for this pool are yet to go live. Now go back to the top, click on the Add Liquidity button on top and enter the amount of both wBTC and XPRT you wish to add to the pool. Note that you can immediately bond your LP tokens to earn higher yields by checking the box at the bottom. Do keep in mind that this will lock up your assets for 7 days. If you're happy with your input, hit the Add Liquidity button to continue. Approve the transaction in your wallet. And done! You've now successfully added liquidity to the wBTC XPRT pool on Dexter.